Attorney, pwede pa rin po ba mag-file ng adultery case kahit matagal na kaming hiwalay ng asawa ko? Hi guys, this is Attorney Eman and papag-usapan natin yung elements or yung crime of adultery. Ang elements ng crime of adultery is, number 1, the woman is married. Number 2, the woman had sexual intercourse or sexual relations with another man, not her husband. And number 3, as regards to the man, he must know that the person with whom he had sexual relations is a married woman. So wala dun sa elements na yun, unfortunately, yung fact na kailangan magkasama pa yung husband and wife. So the fact na yung isang babae ay kasal, nagkakaroon ng adultery if nagkaroon siyang sexual relations with another man, not her husband. Yung rationale kung bakit ganito yung batas natin is because the risk that the wife may be impregnated by another man, not her husband. But there's that presumption na yung asawa niya is yung biological father, unless proven otherwise. So yun yung pinoprotektan ng batas natin tungkol sa adultery. So unfortunately, kahit matagal na kayong magkahiwalay ng asawa mo, pwede pa rin mag-file ng kaso for adultery ang husband ninyo kung nakita or kung merong ebidensya na nagkaroon kayo ng sexual relations with another man, not your husband po. Okay guys? So alam nyo na yung elements for adultery and alam nyo na yung mga circumstances and now you're emancipated.